Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI image generator. Go to Canva. Being able to generate image with AI is super useful. Let me show you how. Create a design, custom design. I'm going to make it 800 to 800 pixel. Create the design. First of all, come over to the left and click on the apps. Here it is. And search for Magic Media. Here it is. Click on it. Next, you need to describe what you want to create, and obviously if you want to do an image, select the image. Now select the style. I'm going for photo and a ratio is square. Click on generate the image. Now it's going to generate them. It won't take too long. Wait a bit. It's now finished, and here are some images that it's generated. If you are not happy with them, you can click on generate again, but if you are okay, click on it and it will be added to the project and you can use it. It's so easy. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.